One of the most common foods in the world, mutton is prepared in a variety of ways. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that consuming mutton in winter is healthy, as it not only helps us stay warm, but also has anti-aging effects. In Chinese culture, the goat is a symbol of good fortune, as well as family wealth. Mutton is an iconic dish that often appears during reunion dinners, symbolizing good tidings in the coming year. Furthermore, the goat, an auspicious symbol, has also been a feature in traditional rituals throughout the ages. Place onion, celery, ginger, and carrots in a pot with 50 grams of water. Knead until their juices mingle with the water. Leave aside for later. Chop the steak into small pieces and place in the pot. Add salt, sugar, white pepper, powdered chicken stock, vegetable juice, Cajun powder, black pepper. Knead until the meat absorbs the flavors and place in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Heat olive oil to 200 degrees Celsius in a non-stick pot. Fry the seasoned mutton steak until both sides turn golden yellow. Place onto oven tray. Place the mutton steak into the oven. Bake at 195 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Pair the ready mutton steak with vegetables and blossom-shaped carrot garnishes. This roasted mutton steak has an enticing golden hue, crisp on the outside, but juicy on the inside. This is an easily prepared dish that fuses Chinese and Western styles of cooking.